Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the official Roblox website. Once there, you'll easily spot the prominent Download button. Click on it to initiate the download process. The website will then guide you through a few simple on-screen prompts to install the Roblox player onto your computer or mobile device. This initial step is crucial for accessing the vast world of Roblox games and experiences. It typically takes only a few minutes to complete, ensuring you're ready to play quickly. After successfully installing the Roblox player, the next essential step is creating your personal account. Launch the Roblox application you just installed. You'll be presented with options to log in or sign up. Choose Sign Up. You'll need to enter your birth date, create a unique username, and set a strong, secure password. Remember to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy before finalizing your account. This process ensures your progress is saved and allows you to interact with other players. With your account created, it's time to dive into the incredible variety of experiences Roblox offers. Log in using your new username and password. The homepage will immediately showcase popular and featured games, making discovery easy. You can also explore different categories like adventure, role-playing, or simulation. If you have a specific game in mind, simply use the search bar at the top. Clicking on any game will display its details, and then you can launch it with a single click to start playing. To ensure the best Roblox experience, here are a few vital tips. First, always check that your device meets the minimum system requirements for smooth gameplay. Regularly update your Roblox application to access new features and performance improvements. Online safety is paramount. Never share personal details like your real name or address with strangers. Finally, if you're feeling creative, consider exploring Roblox Studio, a powerful tool that allows you to design and publish your very own games for others to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.